Good morning. Today we will discuss about the covalent bond. What is covalent bond? How many types of covalent bond? And how covalent bond is formed between two atoms. That will be discussed under the heading covalent bond. Covalent bond is the bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. For example, we have hydrogen atom. Atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1. It have only one electron in outermost shell. And another hydrogen atom also have one electron in outermost shell. To attain nearest noble gas configuration, both the hydrogen require one electron. This hydrogen require one electron for noble gas of helium. This also require one electron for noble gas of helium. What will happen? None of the atoms try to lose the electron. Both will try to gain the electron to become stable. None of the atom will lose the electron. Then what happens? This hydrogen atom or this hydrogen atom does not lose the electron. They will share their electron with each other, between each other, to become a quiet, stable noble gas configuration. The bond formed by this type of sharing is known as covalent bond. Bond formed by this type of sharing is known as covalent bond. That means covalent bond is the bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. What is the meaning of mutual sharing? Mutual means electrons contribute by one, contribute by both, and shared by both. Electron pair which are shared between two atoms are contributed by both, shared by both. This type of sharing is known as mutual sharing, and the bond formed by mutual sharing is known as covalent bond. Why mutual sharing take place? To attain nearest noble gas configuration. So, define covalent bond. Covalent bond is defined as the bond formed by contribution and mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms to complete their octet or to attain nearest noble gas configuration. To attain nearest noble gas configuration. The bond formed is known as covalent bond, and the compound formed by this bond is known as covalent compound. Number of electrons shared by an atom is known as covalency. That means covalency of each hydrogen atom is 1 because each hydrogen shared its one electron. Number of electrons shared by an atom is a covalency. Each hydrogen share one electron, that means their covalency is 1. How many types of covalent bond? Covalent bonds are 3 types. Single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. It is single covalent bond. The single covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of two electrons between two atoms. These two electrons mutually shared. The bond formed is known as single bond or single covalent bond. Same double covalent bond. Double covalent bond, that is single bond is formed by mutual sharing of two electrons. Double means two bonds. One bond require two electrons, that means two bond require 4 electrons. Mutual sharing of 4 electrons between two atoms. Example, oxygen. Each oxygen have atomic number 8, electron configuration 2, 6. outermost electrons are 6. Like this. Another oxygen also have 6 electrons in outermost shell because both are oxygen. To attain octet, to complete the octet, it requires 2 electrons. This also requires 2 electrons. What happened? They will share their 2 electrons with other oxygen. This oxygen share its 2 electrons with this oxygen, and this also share its 2 electrons with another oxygen. How many electrons are shared total? 4. By 2 electron, 1 bond, another 2 electrons, another second bond. That is, the 2 bonds are formed between 2 oxygen atoms. That is known as double covalent bond. That is known as double covalent bond. That means for 1 bond, 2 electrons. For 2 bonds, 4 electrons. And then for 3 bonds, that is triple covalent bond. How many electrons? Multiply by 2. 1 multiply by 2, answer 2. 2 multiply by 2, answer 4. 3 multiply by 2, answer 6. Mutual sharing of 6 electrons between 2 atoms is known as triple covalent bond. Better example, nitrogen. Nitrogen have 5 electrons in outermost shell. Atomic number 7, 2, 7. They share their 3 electrons with other. Total electrons shared are 6. Triple bond is formed. And these 2 pairs are not shared. It is okay. This is covalent bond. How covalent bond formed? How many types of covalent bond? Single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. It is types of covalent bond. Now, form some covalent molecule or compounds. Suppose I will give you a question. How water is formed? Water is the covalent compound. Beta, water is covalent compound. How it is formed? It is water. You will see it consists of 2 types of atom. Hydrogen and oxygen. Atomic number of hydrogen 1. Atomic number of oxygen 8. Hydrogen 1 electron. This 8 electron configuration 2, 6. Outermost electron 6. Symbol, Lewis symbol is 6. How many hydrogen? Answer 2. You will arrange like this. 6 electrons around the oxygen. Hydrogen 2. 1 on this side, 1 on this side. Each hydrogen have 1 electron in Lewis structure. What happened? Hydrogen complete its duplet. 2 electrons in outermost shell. Oxygen want to complete octet, 8 electrons. 6 itself, 7 and 8. Covalent bond is formed. Oxygen having 2 lone pair electrons. 2 electron, single bond. Again 2 electrons, single bond. It is the covalent structure of water molecule. It is the covalent structure of water molecule. Now another example. Suppose I will give you, draw the structure of CH4. Carbon, atomic number 6. Electron configuration 2, 4. That means 4 electrons in outermost shell. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. That means 1 electron in outermost shell. We have 4 hydrogen. That is direct towards the electron present of the carbon. Like this. Each hydrogen want to complete the duplet. And carbon want to complete the octet. This will be happen. That means these bonds, single bonds are formed between 2 atoms. Like this, you will practice with some molecules to form covalent compound. To form covalent compound. Beta, these compounds that consist of only one central atom, but some of the compound having two central atom or more central atom. Suppose C2H6, hydrogen never be central atom, hydrogen always surrounding atom. We have two central atom carbon, in each carbon 4 electrons. We have 6 hydrogen, symmetrically divided 3 for this carbon, 3 for this carbon. Each hydrogen have 1 electron in outermost shell, like this. Each hydrogen wants to complete the duplet. Duplet of each hydrogen will be completed. Carbon shared 1 electron, so it accepts 1 electron from hydrogen. Now number of electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. For 8th electron it will goes to another carbon. Same thing here. Octet of carbon is complete, and we will draw the structure like this. 2 electrons single bond. 2 electrons single bond. Thank you.